咱们今儿给外国人尝一下我们中国的中药美食，看看他吃完是什么样的反应。
Oh my god! It's a mooncake. Is that the mooncake?
月饼 ，delicious.
Yeah, it's cool.
Pretty good. 这是我们小时候经常吃的叫辣条，直接一口吞下去，还不错吧
Yeah, it's good. It's really good.
Oh my god!
No, bro, that's dangerous.
这个绝对好吃，真的。
It's a frog. It's a frog. Is that Chinese? But it's a medicine. I don't trust that.
这个吃了对身体好。
Yeah.
大郎喝药了，
Wow.
你相信我吗？
You gotta say yes, bro.
I have to say yes.
Can we get paid?
这个绝对好喝。
I'm not drinking. What's that?
Medicine.
Oh shit. No, good reaction. Good reaction. If she drinks it, I'll drink.
我还得跟你一块儿干。
You know it's no team.
13。他骗我。哇！
Feel like I've just had tequila.
She's I'm G.
7.
Yeah.
Number 7.
Disgusting.
You're a love heart.
Show me around Hong Kong. Dude, I'm telling you, this is like this.
Is this sesame?
Delicious.
You're not very convincing.
No.
But it's good. Good. Listen her.
Actually good, bro. Yummy, yummy.
Yummy, yummy，好吃。
Dude, check in with me in 10 minutes.
他不相信。